What's up guys, and welcome back to the Neil Dunne Drifting channel. I'm out here at MDTuning and the car is here, mechanically all pretty much done, ready to start mapping. We've already got the timing set on it. Steve has been working on that and we're just getting ready to do a couple of first initial runs just to get things set up and then start to see what kind of power we make. Hopefully we get it sorted here fairly quick, and in 2 weeks time then we're out for a first test day. So let's see how we get on. Just about halfway through. I had figures there a second ago.
Yeah, they're gone.
Oh, they're gone. Yeah. Disappeared. Forget it. You're not getting to see.
Yeah, you don't need figures. Destroy the gun.
Running a little bit lean on the top end, so Stephen's going to sort that out. And our diff was doing a big shake inside it. Found loose bolts. So we've that tightened up there now. So go back at it again and see if we can get that lean gone out of it. And yeah, we're creeping. We're doing a lot of boost creep. My wastegate's probably a little bit small. It's, what was that, 44mm? Yeah, 44mm, I think it was a precision. I can't remember exactly what it is anyway, but I think a lot of it is the angle it's coming out at. It should be in the flow of the gases where it's just coming out of the side, so that can have a big problem. But we're getting there, we'll get it as close as we can anyway today, and we'll see how we go from there. Okay, so with the full boost runs done, well, Steve has them done, making good power, but find it very difficult to keep the boost down. As I said, the wastegate, a lot of it is to do with the angle that the pipe is coming off the manifold, I think is the big problem. So we're hitting 2.1 bar of boost, which is a lot of power, but not maybe great for the longevity of the engine. So couple of things we want to do. Obviously I need to change the boost or the wastegate, get a new wastegate onto it, and we're looking at the map sensor. We have a 3-bar map sensor on at the moment, which is actually not reading when the boost goes way high. So we're looking at putting a 4-bar map sensor onto it. I don't think there's much we can do with it today, but it looks like it's safe. At least it is safe.
Yeah.
We'll keep it on low boost, and we can get out to the track day and do a bit of testing and make sure everything is okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Get her loaded up and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.